lovely DHL van with trailer by Siki. I don't even know how to pronounce it. If you can't, it's spelled. If you want to know how it's spelled there. For some reason it says there's no PVC, which if you don't know what PVC is, it's a type of plastic. If you don't know, it says metal plus plastic parts. So that's cool. That basically tells you what it is, and then there's a pricing thing. So when you buy this from some shops, there's a big number, and the number tells you what the price is at the shop, because different shops have different prices, because they have to import it from Germany, I guess. Or the company that makes these comes from Germany. On the back you've got like all of the different languages of the world like written down, and I don't even know what all of these are. So obviously there's French, and then there's English, like Great Britain. They never do like one thing that I don't like about this is that they always do like IT for Italy or FR for French. Actually, I think FR is for Francis or something, because that's like French and French. But yeah, so instead of putting like EN for England, they put like GB for England, Scotland and Wales. So that's a bit annoying. You're not allowed to have this if you're only allowed to have this when you're over 3. Then it's recyclable. I guess that's what that logo does. There's a barcode there. You can pull the back off, slide it off. You just have to like pull these plastic slip things off like that. And then you have the trailer, which I think's kind of cool. It's even got a tow hitch on the back, so you can get multiple of these sets and have like a whole train of cars. Let me take this out and throw that away. Just so you know, there isn't a pile of boxes on my floor. I just pick them up afterwards and put them away. I do tidy up sometimes. You've got a nice door on the back. Some of them in real life actually open in the same way, because like the removal vans and other vehicles have, so some DHL vans have the sort of ramp at the bottom. It's a low tech thing. It's got the smallest illegible writing ever. I've never seen writing as illegible as that, so small. And then you've got this. It's basically the same tooling, so it's still got like the opening door on the back, which is cool. And you can tell I've already used it because the tow hitch is missing all its paint, which makes it more realistic in some sense. It's got a little bit of a notch on this, so it can stand up properly without a trailer. Without a van lifting up the tow hook, and then you can it's so easy, you just do that, and like, let me do that closer up, so you're still in the light. You push that in like that, and then it's then it's connected like this. Yeah, it's quite cool. You can open it down. Then you can offload goods. You can play with it, but I'm just gonna have this sat around on my layout. Yeah. Another thing is, it's got even their slogan, especially in English, because I bought it in England, thank goodness. It's excellent, simple delivery. I actually think that's their slogan. If not, they've got it wrong, and I got my thought wrong. Anyway, let's show you a small stop motion of this passing the camera.